In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and delete widgets in WordPress. Whether you're customizing your site for the first time or just want to change things up a bit, understanding how to manage widgets can elevate your website's functionality and appearance. Let's begin with adding a widget. First, navigate to your WordPress dashboard. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll see a menu. Look for the Appearance option and hover over it. When you hover, a couple of options will drop down, and among them, you'll find Widgets. Click on that. Now, you should see a screen divided into two main sections, Available Widgets on the left and Widget Areas on the right. It might seem a bit overwhelming at first, but don't worry. It'll be straightforward once you get the hang of it. To add a widget, think about where you'd like it to appear on your site. Common areas include sidebars or footers, depending on your theme. Simply drag and drop the widget from the left into your chosen area on the right. For instance, if you want to add a calendar widget to your sidebar, just click on the calendar widget and drag it over to the sidebar area. And just like that, it's added. Now, let's take a closer look at the widgets you've added. Click on the down arrow next to the widget's title in the widget area to expand its options. You can customize various settings here, depending on what the widget is designed to do. Make sure to pay attention to these options, as they enhance the utility of the widget in context to your site's needs. Remember to save your changes, usually by clicking a button labeled Save at the bottom of these settings. Deleting a widget, in case you change your mind or no longer need it, is just as simple. Head back to your widget area on the right side. If you want to remove it, again, click that arrow to expand the widget's options. Inside, you'll find a Delete or Remove link, typically at the bottom. Click it, and the widget will disappear from your widget area. Simply put, it's as easy as adding it. Always ensure that any changes you make are saved and reflected on your site's front end by refreshing the page to see how your site looks now. Widgets can significantly alter the layout and presentation of content on your page, and with this newfound skill, you can experiment with different configurations that work best for your audience. Keeping your website fresh and functional is key to keeping visitors engaged, and now that you know how to manage widgets easily, you'll be able to do just that. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and feel more confident in managing your WordPress widgets. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing!